Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Godzilla Millenium Face. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Millennium Godzilla face, let's begin with the eye. I'm going to start right about here, and we're just going to make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to bring this back here. Next, we're going to start by making a line that's going to curve up right to here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up. We'll make one more for the pupil, and then I'm going to color in most of the pupil, leaving just a little bit white. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to bring it back to here for the eyebrow. Then I'm going to bring a couple little lines coming down and right underneath the eye. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little bumps for the front of the nose. And then to actually make the nose, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and we're going to bring this down here. Starting here, we're going to curve this line down and kind of bring it back and color it in. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down for the front of the mouth. And we're going to curve a line that's going to come up to here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down and up. And then we're going to bring a line that's going to come down to here. For the bottom of the mouth, let's bring this line down, and we're going to come right to about here. Then we're going to curve this back for like the lip, and I'll make some little broken lines, just for a little bit of detail. We'll bring this line down for the chin, and then we're going to bring it up to here, keeping it kind of thin. Then when you get to here, we're going to bring this out, and we're going to curve it up here. Now to finish off the mouth, let's draw a line that comes down here. And then let's make a couple quick little broken lines in here. Now he's going to have some really big teeth, so we're going to make some really sharp pointy teeth in here, making them some different sizes. But he's going to have these long, kind of pointed, jaggy teeth. So we're going to add these all the way across here, make them nice and jagged and nice and pointy. So we're going to bring these all the way to here. Now for his tongue, let's just draw a line that's going to come down. We'll bring it up and then back here. Now starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and then down a little bit. And then I'm going to do this coming all the way across here just to add a lot of nice texture on our Godzilla Millenium face. So we're going to bring this all the way down to about here, just to kind of get a little bit of like some detail on there. Now, right about here, he's going to have an ear. So we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve up. We're going to bring this down and around. We'll add a little bump with a line that comes up and down for some detail inside the ear. Now let's come down here and kind of finish off the neck area. I'm going to begin by making a couple little curved lines right here on the neck. And then we're going to make it get a little bit bigger here. We're going to make some of these lines come out and then down here. Now right across the top of the head, we're going to add some different spikes. So we're just going to start off by making some little small spikes right here, and they're just going to slowly get bigger as they come towards the top of the head. As they get to about here, we're going to start making them much bigger. And then we're just going to kind of make them a little bit pointy. Now, once we get back here, we're going to make some of his dorsal fins. So let's make a line that's going to come up and then down to a point. And we're going to make another one that's going to come up and down. And one right here, it goes up and down. Then right here we're going to come up and then bring it down to here. And then we'll even put a small one up here. We'll go up and down and make another one up and down. Now starting here, I'm going to make some broken lines that come right across. They're going to come down and then back here. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down. I'm going to make some broken lines that come up and a few more that come down. Now I'm going to make some lines that are just going to be kind of broken and wavy as they come down. It's just to kind of add some texture onto our Millennium Godzilla. Now I'm going to make some long lines that are just going to kind of come up and down, almost in kind of like a wavy pattern. Almost looks kind of like mountains on the like at a sideways point of view, just to add some texture. And then I'm going to make some broken lines that just kind of curve up into here for a little more detail. Now I'm going to come in here and just kind of add some extra little lines on here just for some detail. And we're just going to kind of put these little bumps and everything all over. We're going to make some little broken lines on here. And we're just going to kind of add some of these little lines just kind of all over for some extra detail. Definitely want to put some down here as well. And I'm going to make just some more of these little lines, just real quick little broken lines coming across. It's just kind of you're barely touching your paper with your marker or pencil. And these just kind of make some extra detail in here. There's no really right or wrong way to do it. Just kind of have some fun and play around with it. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Millennium Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.